What is going on, peeps, and welcome back to another video, another vlog. And the channel keeps going up little by little, but it's going up, and I appreciate it. I'm very appreciated. I'm not mad that I'm at 1,000 yet, but I'm very appreciated. So today we have a quick unboxing. Well, I already did the unboxing. Everything is already taken apart, and we have an EK cluster from Canada. What you have there, the KMH, and look at the mouse. Today we're going to be turning back the mouse on this EK cluster. So I'm going to be showing you today how to turn back the mouse on this EK cluster. So basically I already unwrapped all this. You have to take out this bezel, also this bezel, and you got to take out the front glass. And then after you do that, then you're going to grab the cluster very carefully. You're going to flip it around, and you see those two bolts, those 4 bolts that are there. You're going to remove those. And then this, it's going to come out. This right here is going to come out. Once that comes out, then I'll show you guys what you got to do next. So let's go ahead, let's get into a time lapse. Let me go ahead and remove that, and I'll show you guys how to remove this. Remember, I am only turning back these miles because my car does not have 435,000 miles. My car has about 123,000 something. I have to look at it in the miles per hour in the gauge. So this video is not done for any illegal use or any use of that sort. It's only done to turn back the actual miles on the car, not to lower it down, because the car is not for sale or anything like that. Just kind of a disclaimer for anyone who's doing this for any illegal use. This is definitely not the way to go. So anyways, let's go ahead and do that, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so this is it. This is the one that you have right here. So what you want to do is you want to pop, let me see if this thing focuses. Let me see if I get, okay. These 2 pins right here, that pin and that pin, you want to pop those down and then forward. And then you want to be able to turn the dial. As you can see there, they're moving a little bit, and then you should be able to turn with a screwdriver or a little flathead, turn them here and then get them down. So let's go ahead and do that round. So as you guys can see, I'm turning back the mouse now. And I should probably do, I mean, my car has like around 123 around there. Let me go get the exact mouse. Give me a second. All right, so we're back. I have exactly 120. Let me try to get this G7X is having a little trouble. So 125.37. And that's it. And then the pins, as you can closely see, they're popped up right there. You see the pin right there. And look at the other one right here. About 125.37. Just popping back in. Let me use it. A little bit of force. Give me a second. And that's it. So I have about 120.537. Let's go ahead and put everything back, assemble everything back, and put it back on the car. There she is, all assembled. I wiped it down. 120.537. Let's go ahead and put it back on. And man, I can't wait to see those RPM gauges going on, because the other one didn't have any RPM gauges. So let's go ahead and go to the car. All right, so moment of truth. Let's go ahead and turn it back on. Perfect. Look at that idle. That is perfect. So obviously the car does have a check engine. I thought it didn't have a check engine. It does have a check engine. Now I gotta see what the hell that is. And that, I have no idea what that is. Oh, that's the e-brake. Look, it lights up differently. Excuse my ignorance, but I just never had a Canadian cluster. The e-brake lights up differently. It's like a little, that's what that is. And yeah, I guess I have a check engine light on, but you rev it and there goes your RPM working. Perfect, man. I am so excited I got this. Look at this guy just sleeping here. Just sleeping away. Anyways, hope you guys like the vlog. Super quick vlog, super small vlog. Anyways, hope you guys like me lowering down the miles. I hope you guys use it not for any legal way. Remember, I lowered them down because of the miles that my car has. Obviously, that is a new engine. That engine does have had about 70,000 miles. Now that I got it, has about 120, and that's what I have. Remember, if you lower it down in any legal way to do it for selling the car, that's just illegal. Don't do it like that. Anyways, hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you guys on the next. Subscribe, it goes a long way.